Welcome to this program. And this program is delivered as part of 360 DigiTMG's CSR activity. For people who are not aware of CSR, CSR stands for Corporate Social Responsibility. Even before we proceed further, let me briefly talk about a few things. But first of all, who am I? Right. My name is Bharani Kumar. I happen to be CEO of 360DigiTMG. I have 18 plus years of experience and I hold a master's degree from IIT and ISB. I work with companies such as HSBC, ITC Infotech, Infosys, and Deloitte. Deloitte was the last company with which I was employed as an employee. Post that, we formed companies, not one company. Yeah. One is Innodatatics. Under the umbrella of Innodatatics, we do advanced analytics projects. We do advanced analytics projects. We do projects in the space of data analytics, data science, data engineering, and MLOps, machine learning operations. We specialize in only these four, and we do projects for the likes of Coca-Cola, Volvo Trucks, Vicat, which is a French cement manufacturing company. We did projects for Yatra, Tata Trust, so on and so forth, Korean Airlines, etc. And we are embarking on Tata Steel project. This is where we stand. And when we deliver these projects, we get the client consent, customers consent, and we include these real-world use cases of Innodatatics into 360 DigiTMG. And as part of 360 DigiTMG, we deliver trainings in the space of only these advanced analytics programs. We deliver trainings in the space of data analytics, data science, data engineering, MLOps, etc. And I train at Indian School of Business as a visiting faculty. Having said that, I wish to speak about a few projects that we have done in the past. For example, this is a project that we have done for a specific customer, which is into steel rods cutting and bending. This device is called as Prima 13. And this Prima 13 is from Schnell Group. Schnell Group has Prima 13 as one of its products, right? They are into heavy industrial equipment manufacturing, right? And then I can also do this. Prima 13, right? So Prima 13 as a device is used to cut the steel rods and bend the steel rods. That's the equipment. And let's just look at Schnell Group. Here we go. What is Schnell? Schnell is a German-based company. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not appearing, but that's a German-based company basically. And they provide these services to companies across the globe. And we have built this model, which is machine failure prediction model. When will that Prima 13 machine fail? Is something that we have built as a solution. We have deployed that on Amazon Web Services, and using the URL, people can access this. People at this particular manufacturing plant can start using, and we have made use of Streamlit to deploy the solution. This is one of the solutions. Then we have done projects for Volvo also. wherein when a person does the assembling process, engine chases clamping sequence has to be followed properly. If not, there will be a lot of cost of poor quality, COPQ. Hence, we started tracking real time whether the person is following the right sequence of clamping or not. In this way, we have done n number of projects. Let me show you a few other projects. Here, this is a project wherein the customer was manually counting how many 8 mm rods, how many 10 mm rods, and how many 12 mm rods exist. Manually, they used to count the number of rods in the inventory. We have automated it using analytics, using AI. We have done a few other projects in the space of poultry also. See, I could not bookmark all the projects. A few I have bookmarked and I'm showing you guys. If you get into my profile in depth, you would understand all the various projects that we have done. So this is for poultry, where mortality rate is very high for chicks which are young. 1 week, 2 week, 3 week old chicks, mortality rate is very high. So using videos, we did not just detect the chicks, but we also try to determine the body temperature and the other movements of the bird. Birds move differently if they are sick. Okay, and we push the data back into the database, and this is also deployed on cloud actually, but this I'm showing you from local host. That's a thermal sensors image that you have seen, so on and so forth. So back to our discussion. We, as part of 360DigiTMG, we started realizing that a lot of students are getting trained through various training institutes. However, they are lacking the knowledge of deployment. Where do you deploy the model? Not sure. A few people go to the extent of saying that I'll give the Python code to customer. And then what do you expect? Do you expect customer to learn Python and then start running your code? Right? No. So model deployment, model monitoring and maintenance, people are struggling on that front. Hence, we came up with corporate social responsibility. And we thought, if you're already trained through some training institute, and if you feel that you got substandard knowledge and you did not get knowledge of model deployment, monitoring and maintenance, and they didn't teach you on how to understand the business problem, how to collect the data, because that's more important, right? And if you're not aware of those things, don't worry. We are here with our initiative. We will ensure that we give you sufficient knowledge, which will help you plug these gaps. However, you'll have to upload your proof that you got trained somewhere else. Okay, only then will we allow you in this free program. Once again, congratulations in choosing to upskill your career into the field of data analytics and data science. You will have 2 phases as part of the 30 days internship. Phase 1 is called as learning phase, which will be for 20 days. We are going to post learning videos every day in the morning at 6 a.m., afternoon at 12 p.m., and night at 6 p.m. And these videos would be on Python programming, data science project management methodology, and model deployment tools. And every day at 9 p.m., we will post questions on LinkedIn, and you are supposed to answer those. Hence, I request you all to follow our LinkedIn page so that you get notifications. The moment you follow, you'll get notifications. And we will monitor the comment section. And if you are answering all the questions, at least if you are attending, we would be giving you an opportunity to move to phase 2. And obviously, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'll be giving you the videos from our YouTube channel. And as part of project phase 2, which will be for 10 days, we are going to assign you an MLOps expert. This machine learning operations expert will have rich experience working on real world projects, and they are going to guide you every day for 10 days. There will be a stand-up meeting for 15 minutes every day from Monday to Friday, where we discuss things on what did you do, what should you do for the next day, do you have any risks or challenges, so on and so forth. Of course, we'll discuss further when we reach this phase. Upon successfully completing the project, you would be awarded internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. And if you have questions on, hey, is it paid? Will you ask me to pay at a later point of time? Absolutely no, friends. This is a free program. Certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. Once again, welcome to the program. And this program is going to start on 12th of July, that is tomorrow. What are you waiting for? On the WhatsApp group as well as Telegram group, whichever group you are in, we'll be posting the further details. You just need to submit and then you can move to phase 2. But phase 1, you can still learn. You can be part of that. However, for phase 2, you need to submit proof of you getting trained somewhere else. All right. Thank you so much. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can post in the chat window and our team is going to let me know. Yeah, team. What is the difference between data analytics, internship, and machine learning and DS? Brain is spinning between. Okay. Here, what we do is, as part of the other internship program, we are majorly focusing on data analytics projects, right? But as part of this machine learning, we are focusing on deployment. Our focus will be on deployment and monitoring and maintenance. This will be our focus, okay? When it comes to ML internship, that is what we are calling this as. For data analytics and DS internship, what we are doing is, for now, as part of phase 1, we are focusing only on data analytics projects. And post that, we will get into data science, right? But that's the difference, friends. Core emphasis here will be on deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. No, not needed. AI concepts, deep learning concepts are not needed. Second phase, what are the criteria to join? Just explain. Prove that you got trained through some other training institute. This program is only for people who are trained through some other training institute. It is not for everyone because you need knowledge of machine learning algorithms to be able to proceed further with this internship. If you are new, my dear friend, there is another internship program which is going to start on Friday. You can join that. If you're already trained through some other training institute, please submit your proof that you got trained. Yes, you'll get update on WhatsApp group also. We'll share a Google form to fill in their details, your details on where did you get trained, what was the program, etc. And then we'll give you internship. Any other questions, friends? My dear friend, this question is incomplete after internship. Anyone without any? No, not at all. If you're a person who doesn't have any knowledge about Python or machine learning, then this machine learning internship is not for you. As I've told you, someone who is already trained in some other training institute, and if they feel that we are not taught deployment tools, we are not taught monitoring and maintenance, what do? I might not get a job. Those people can join. Yeah, only on machine learning from some other training institute or from some other educational institute. Yeah, no problem. Share that. We will be in the WhatsApp group posting the details. You need to upload the screenshot or PDF of any proof. Yeah. We'll be anyways posting the further steps on WhatsApp group. Any other questions, friends? Yeah. Our team will post the details and you can join. They'll post on the YouTube chat itself, they'll post the link and you can join. You can be part of it. Yes, you'll be eligible, friend. Yeah. Phase 1 also you have to do. Only after you complete successfully phase 1, you'll move to phase 2. You have done masters in data science. Well, send that proof that you learned. That it is part of your academics. Some proof that it is part of your academics. That we will discuss later, friends. When we will discuss when we reach this phase on how will you deploy, where will you deploy, and all that. Your college curriculum, you can share your college curriculum. Yeah. The results, certificate, something. Some proof, friends. You need not be so particular. Some proof. Verbally, you cannot say I attended. That doesn't help. Any other questions or are we done? 2 more minutes and we will close the session. And you know what? Our people, I'm sure you're on YouTube, friends. If you're on YouTube, I request you to subscribe. And we have a lot of success stories going on. Yeah. Not just people who join Innodatatics, but people who join different other companies. Right. For example, we have people working with Tata, LXI. We have people working with Ernst and Young. If I were to say big 4 companies, you'll come to know. Deloitte, Ernst and Young, PricewaterhouseCoopers, KPMG, all these are the big 4 companies which pay extensively. Yeah. We have people working in Deutsche Bank. We have people working with Harvard, which is a product-based company. We have people working in Deloitte. We have people working in Ireland. Manju is working in Ireland. We have people working in Alshaya. Alshaya, and if you want to take a franchisee of, say, Starbucks or H&M or Mothercare or American Eagle, etc., in especially Middle East or Europe, you have to go through Alshaya Group only. It is headquartered in Kuwait, but she's working in Dubai. And people are working with Genpact, people are working with Mercedes-Benz Research and Development, people are working with Deloitte, and I'm just naming some companies which you feel are top-notch, right? Human, which is a Singapore-based company. We have people working in Infosys, HCL, Walmart. We have people then working in PricewaterhouseCoopers. We have people working in TCS, Cognizant, Novartis, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, Capgemini, so on and so forth. Right? So you can just go through, explore more. All right. If education was completed in 2030, now If you did your education in 2013, I'm sure you didn't learn machine learning. Hmm? How did you learn machine learning? Back then, it wasn't that prevalent, guys. Okay. So, yeah, only if you're trained. Otherwise, you will not learn anything, right? It doesn't make sense. All right, friends, and thank you so much. And all the best for your future. All the best. Learn well. Thank you. Bye.